Hello, I'm Wannabe Khan. I'm here today with Mohammed Al-Shirazi. He has something he wants to say.
I wish to speak to the infidels. Allah demands you take your filth off of our lands.
Our filth? What do you mean?
Your armies are defiling our lands with your heathen messiah.
I was not aware the United States Army was a Christian army upon a crusade. The United States government is, by design, a secular and non-religious government.
Lies. Your army's crusaders have been teaching of your Christ upon our lands the past 6 years. Your leaders declare this war a fight against good and evil. Your war on terror is a war on Islam, as your leaders put it.
No, so, our leaders had said, radical Islam.
Your army's soldiers have Bibles they show to Muslim children. Your soldiers preach their ways to the Muslim peoples. There are chapels of your God, in bases, upon Muslim lands. On many occasions, your soldiers have fired upon the holy mosques. Many of your soldiers defile Muslim traditions. They teach women it is all right to show their faces. They break into Muslim homes and search. Then they declare God on their side. Even your leaders say, God bless the troops.
The United States protects the rights of its citizens to have freedom of religion. It is unconstitutional for the government to demand they stop practicing their beliefs. Unless a constitutional amendment has been made removing this right. None has been made prohibiting this fundamental value.
It matters not. Your armies terrorize the holy lands of all Muslims. The fact your very feet reside on Muslim lands is an insult to Allah. The soldiers of Allah will never let your heathen ilk stay upon our lands.
The United States is merely trying to protect the freedoms of the Iraqi people, if they so choose it. The Iraqi people may choose to practice Islam, they are not required. The Quran demands apostasy as punishable by death. The United States simply seeks to give Iraq his other options.
Allah will never allow this wickedness to have victory. Must the soldiers of Allah show you once again what Allah is capable of?
The attacks of September 11th were a repulsive act of hatred. No Western government will surrender to the parties of Allah.
No. Do you not see? Your nations tremble with fear at the hands of Allah. Your prized human rights court has become an instrument of Allah. Your blasphemies will no longer be tolerated.
Free speech is treasured by Western governments. The Human Rights Court protects the rights of individual human beings, not religious institutions. The Defamation of Religion Act is a betrayal of human rights.
Mr. Wallaby, your nations tremble with fear of Allah. One of your nations has already succumbed to the power of Allah.
Mr. Mohammed Al-Shirazi, I believe this conversation is over. If you will, kindly please, leave the studio.
Remember my words. Allah will triumph.
I believe we all understand just how serious the parties of God take their wars. Muslim fundamentalists and Christians alike.